Hey guys, a quick shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Really appreciate your contributions and show of support. For those who wish to consider supporting my work, links in the description below. Now on with the video. Hey guys, the OrientTravellerZ here. Today we're at the Vela Saigon Hotel, a posh establishment located relatively close to the major tourist spots of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The hotel is relatively new and renovated in the modern luxury style, featuring geometric shapes, marble surfaces, and copious amounts of gold trim. Guests are greeted at the drop-off foyer by a door attendant. The lobby impresses with an elegant chandelier and high ceilings. The reception well lit by floor-to-ceiling windows. Guests can relax on the sofas and enjoy a cup of welcome iced tea. There is also a cafe in the lobby for those who need something a little stronger. The walkways to the guest rooms feature a central shaft to provide natural lighting during the day. We'll be checking out their higher tier 40 square meter luxury deluxe king room. Immediately to the right is a countertop where you can find an electric kettle, minibar items which are chargeable, as well as coffee and tea sachets. Beneath is a mini fridge. Next is a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe which contains an electric safe, slippers, and a pair of embroidered bathrobes. Moving on, we are greeted by an impressive wide format room. The work desk, sitting area, king bed, and bathroom are all within sight from the entrance. Working our way from the left, there is an oval tinted glass work desk with a brass desk lamp. Stationery are leather bound. Points are awarded for good placement with plenty of natural light making work and reading easier on the eyes. When it's time for a break, take in the cityscape from your high vantage point. Moving on to the TV. It is located between the two windows and benefits from a darker environment. 50 inches is adequate for the room size, and picture quality was good, with plenty of channels including English language programs and movies. A 3-seater gray suede sofa sits at the foot of the bed. The king bed offered a comfortable night's rest. Moving on to the glass-encapsulated bathroom. The freestanding bathtub is naturally the highlight. A thoughtfully designed water faucet doesn't get in the way of those who wish to watch TV while soaking in the tub. Opposite the bathtub is a brown marble sink countertop. Toiletries can be found in the pull-out drawer. The countertop features a single vanity with hotel-branded bath amenities. Peering through the glass into the bathroom, one might wonder where the shower is. The frosted glass door leads to the WC cubicle, which interestingly leads to the shower cubicle further back. There is both a detachable shower head and rain shower. Moving on to the hotel facilities. The hotel features a sizable rooftop infinity edge swimming pool. Walk a minute or two down a long hallway and up a flight of stairs, where an impressive sight awaits. The pool offers a panoramic vista of the city from multiple angles. However, while the pool is large, the pool deck is rather narrow, making it quite cramped when more guests are around. The narrow deck also limits the number of sunbeds and recliners, meaning it can be quite a struggle to secure one, let alone two. Worse still, the narrow deck means people walking by would come uncomfortably close. But for the views, it's worth it. The far end of the pool deck includes a stage island that is used for special events such as the New Year's Eve countdown party. There's also a bar where you can enjoy a drink while admiring the city skyline. There are smaller plunge pools and sitting spaces as well, but these do not attract as much attention and guests as the main pool. For those wishing to dine in the hotel, there is an elegant restaurant one floor below the pool deck. There is a casino, as well as a gym. The gym was pretty large but felt a little drab. The bathrooms include saunas. When you're done with your workout, head to the breakfast buffet and indulge in a selection of international dishes. The choices are extensive and you will likely find something that suits your palate. The restaurant has both indoor and outdoor dining seating options. If the weather is good, choose an outdoor table to enjoy the view and breeze. Changing gears to talk about the downsides of this hotel. The main gripe about this hotel is the elevator situation. There were 4 guest elevators to serve all floors. Unlike other modern hotels, however, there does not appear to be a staff elevator, as staff can be seen riding the elevator together with guests. Furthermore, it is not the occasional staff member from guest relations traveling alone, but pretty much all staff. This means it can take a painfully long and not to mention an unpredictable amount of time to travel to and from your room or any other part of the hotel. If you have somewhere you need to be on time, like say catching a flight, odds are it would be best to budget 10 extra minutes for riding the elevator. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Vela Saigon Hotel. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.